So my name is Qasim. I'm Microsoft certified expert and VMware expert and Linux and Citrix expert. My academic background is like I'm diploma in IT infrastructure, and the certificate was I'm Microsoft certified, I'm VMware certified, Linux certified, and CCNA. I'm progressing towards CCNA. So one of my best friend referred to me here. He was working for Rogers. So when I asked him, I want to progress in my life, so he referred me to do the NetSoft. Altogether, I took almost 16 courses from NetSoft. NetSoft is more like professional institute. They're creating more professionals than the other institute here. And NetSoft has a small classroom, so the teacher, the instructor have more focus on your students, and you can say it's one-to-one experience. Most of the instructors are from the fields, so they know in and out of the fields, and they are highly educated and also highly experienced. The courses are so extensive here because the trainers go too deep into the course, everything explained to you from zero ground to above the professional level, and it's also comprehensive because they want you to be in the market as soon as possible. So there are so many class activities, and the trainer wants your all attention towards him, and we do so many activities during the class. Even after at home, we have homework to do to be more experienced in that studies and in the labs also. So there are pros that you will be in the market faster, and you will be a professional in school, and there is no cons actually. So the friend referred me. I see one of them that story, but beside him, I have like 5 or 6 more people I know personally. They studied the schools and have a successful career. We are almost 30 hours in school and 30 hours home and lab we have at home. So I will say like 60 hours a week. We have a full course about job interviews and resume preparing. That's called Hire Me. That was the best course for me actually. I enjoyed very much, and I learned so much about in that course also. So there will be like exchange, one of my best, Citrix, the second best. So virtualization is very fascinating, and the market is like demanding. So VMware and Citrix was my best courses. If you think you want to be success in your life, not in one career or just a couple of years, come to NetSoft. It's not only motivate you, but it's like lifetime learning here.